Jai Hind, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will start with the first chapter from English 1, the sentence. You have already done this chapter in your previous class, so I believe you will not have any problem in understanding it. So to start with, let us see what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. It means group of words which gives us certain complete meaning is called a sentence. While we speak with somebody, we use some group of words, and through those group of words, people understand what we want to convey. So, those group of words are sentences. Let us take some examples. Number 1, Raj was in hospital last week. Through this group of words, we understand that a boy, Raj, was very sick and was in hospital last week. Number 2, I love to eat ice creams. Through this group of words, we understand that I am fond of ice creams and I love to eat ice creams. Number 3, Ritu studies in class 3. Through this group of words, we understand that Ritu, a girl, studies in class 3. So, this group of words are sentences because it is giving us some certain complete meaning. While framing or writing sentences, you must keep in your mind that every sentence must begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop or question mark. For example, Jack and Joe are friends. Here, the first letter J is in capital and the sentence has ended with a full stop. A spider has 8 legs. Here, the first letter A is in capital and the sentence has ended with a full stop. And there are some sentences which ask questions. So, such question sentences should end with question mark. For example, what is your name? So, here, the first letter W is in capital form and the sentence has ended with a question mark. How old are you? Here, the first letter is written in capital form and the sentence has ended with a question mark. So, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or question mark. In order to make a correct sentence, we have to arrange words in correct order. If you write the words in any random order, that will not make correct sentence. For example, the east, the sun in rises. Here are some group of words, but they are not making any sense because they are not arranged in correct order. In the same manner, a big India is country. This group of words are also not making any sense because they are not arranged in correct order. So, let us see another 2 examples. The sun rises in the east. Here, the same words are used, but they are making sense. Why? Because the words are arranged in correct order. India is a big country. Here again the same words are used but in different correct order. So they are making sense. So they are correct sentences. So we should always arrange words in proper order to make a correct sentence. So we will end here today. Next week I'll be giving you exercises from this chapter. And I'll also send photocopy of this chapter from your book. Till then, you take care and stay safe.